So, quick update inside Go High Level, guys. This is very important. Before, we are using this customer replied as a trigger. So, nagtitrigger lang siya kapag nag-reply yung lead. But here's the problem. What if hindi siya nag-reply? What if they send a new email instead? Like a new trend. Walang trigger, walang notification, we missed the lead. But now, with the new inbound email trigger, you can capture any incoming email kahit new trend pa yan, guys. So, here, mag-add ka lang ng filter is equal to, ilalagay natin yung business email address and make sure, guys, nakaset up din yung email sending mo inside Go High Level kasi if not, you won't be able to fully track or respond properly pag hindi to nakaset up. Now, here sa baba, guys, under advanced settings, trigger only for new email conversation, dapat i-turn on nyo to. That means, guys, this will fire only when a new inbound email conversation starts. So, what will happen pag hindi to naka-turn on? Simple lang, guys. Magti-trigger yung workflow mo sa lahat ng emails, new emails man yan, replies, even ongoing trends. Kaya, if it's gonna be for new email, i-turn on nyo to. So, yun lang, guys. Bye!